4 innovative businesses you can learn from. Not every new business idea needs to be truly original. You can actually create a very successful business using only tried and tested formulas, and not even venture out that much into the unknown. In fact, this is sometimes the safer bet when it comes to creating a new business model. The problem is that it takes a truly innovative business idea if you really want to take the world by storm. If you're just happy to make a little money, then sure, something basic and already proven will work fine. But if you're looking to become a billionaire who forever changes the status quo, then you will need to come up with something completely new. Let me share 4 examples of companies that have done that in exciting ways. 1. Facebook. Facebook completely changed the way that we interact with one another, the way we stay in touch with friends, and the way that we make new acquaintances. The idea of a social network is not new, of course, but it was the countless smaller ideas that Zuckerberg and the team implemented that really changed things up and ensured that the site was a massive sensation. 2. Uber. Uber is an example of a company that makes use of the sharing economy. This is a taxi service that is run by its users. Rather than pay obscene amounts for a taxi, why not hire someone local who is happy to give you a lift for much less? It's no exaggeration to say that this is making massive waves in multiple industries. 3. Airbnb. Airbnb is another example of a company that makes use of the sharing economy, this time by letting people share their spare rooms and outbuildings as alternatives to hotel rooms. Once again, this is changing industries, the hotel industry, and even the property market. 4. Nintendo. The House of Mario is a company that is constantly innovating, whether it's with motion controls or new gameplay mechanics. The latest innovation, of course, is the Nintendo Switch, which combines the company's portable and home consoles into a single machine. The appeal is the option to take AAA titles on the go with you, but then be able to play them on the big screen when you get home. It's early days yet, but so far the signs are very positive, and the company has sold more units than any other console at this stage in its life. In other words, you don't have to be a young, hip startup to innovate.
Are you in the USA? Do you know you can easily make $1,000 online daily? Click the link in the description to attain my free webinar.